Morning everyone. Today we're looking at a DeLonghi Magnifica. This unit was not getting hot water or steam out of the steam wand. So we took her apart and diagnosed it. We had to replace a solenoid valve that connected to the steam wand as well as the solenoid valve that connected to the pump towards the rear. But we replaced those two pieces and now she's working like a charm. So let's run a shot. And here she goes. Steady stream, good camera. Working like a charm. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thank you.